Most crochet projects start with the length of chain stitches that you will work the next row of your stitches into, and this is called a foundation chain. Start with a slip knot on your hook, and then you're going to yarn over, placing the yarn under your hook, and pull it through the loop on the hook. And that's a chain stitch. Yarn over and pull the loop through the loop on the hook. Yarn over, pull the loop through the loop on the hook. Yarn over, pull the loop. And you just keep repeating, making the chain stitch until you have the number of chains that are needed for a crochet project. How you count the chains: you don't count the loop that's on your hook, you start from the next one. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In the parts of a chain, you can see that the V's for each stitch, and if you flip it over, there's a little belly or back bump. Okay, keep practicing making chains so you're comfortable with it. Just yarn over and pull through the loop on the hook. Yarn over, pull through the loop on the hook. Make several foundation chains until you get it down.